In this paper, we have evaluated two photorealistic mixed reality visualizations, X-ray and MELT. Both visualizations reveal occluded objects. As shown here, our X-ray visualization shows the occluded object through an edge overlaid representation of the occluder object. Conversely, our MELT visualization virtually melts the occluder object to show the occluded object. It removes the occluder completely. We have also used a graphical depth cue in this experiment. The depth cue originated at the participant's position and was directed toward the target object. Each alternating segment indicated a 10-meter length. The primary goal of the experiment was to evaluate the effects of X-ray and MELT visualizations on outdoor depth perception, both in the presence and the absence of the graphical depth cue. There were 4 conditions in this experiment. We crossed 2 levels of visualization and 2 levels of depth cue. The visualizations were used as a within-subject variable. All of the participants experienced both of the visualizations. Whereas depth cue was a between-subject variable, one group of the participants performed their task with the cue on condition, and the other group performed with the cue off condition. These samples show X-ray with cue off, MELT with cue off, X-ray with cue on, and MELT with cue on. The experimental task was to verbally report the egocentric distance to the target object, which was a 3 by 3 meter green cube. The target object was randomly placed at one of 5 different far-field distances. This building was used as the occluder object. The target object was inserted into a photorealistic, correctly scaled model of the occluded area behind this building. The experimental trials were presented on a 7-inch screen. The screen was mounted on a tripod with a camera attached to the screen. We performed the experiment in a shaded region.